These HIV and AIDS patients in Thailand are waiting for the drugs that will prolong their lives. There's still no cure for AIDS, but the treatments available can improve quality of life.
It gives me hope to be able to live longer. I was weak when I was first infected with HIV, but when I take this medication, I feel better. It is just like I died and was born again.
Thailand has often been hailed as a success story in the fight against AIDS. In 1993, almost 150,000 new infections were recorded, but by last year that rate had been reduced to 17,000. But while Thailand's prevention strategy has won global praise, its treatment program has upset a number of pharmaceutical companies. On Friday, the Health Ministry issued its first compulsory licence to make a cheaper, homegrown generic version of the anti-AIDS drug efavirenz. Merck & Co., which holds the patent, denounced the licence. It considers the move to be intellectual theft, and it will receive only 0.5% royalty payment on sales of the drug it developed. Merck says it wasn't consulted by the Thai government, which will undercut its price by almost half. The Health Ministry says it is, however, negotiating with drug companies and hopes to reach an agreement soon.
The result of the negotiations is very satisfactory. It will help people under the Universal Healthcare Scheme access the drugs. The negotiations have been nearly concluded.
Thailand's health minister says finding an agreement won't just benefit Thailand. It'll also benefit other developing countries struggling to pay for the growing cost of treating their AIDS victims. Paul Allen, Al Jazeera.